You want a technique that will relax you more than a cup of coffee? It's possible. Inhale and exhale through the nose. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold your breath for a count of 4. Exhale through the nose for a count of 4. And hold your breath on the exhale for a count of 4. Let's do it together. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. One more time. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Hold. Continue on your own for a minute or two and feel that relaxation. Follow me for breathing techniques and nervous system regulation techniques.